Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Diah Ramadhani, student number 23412060 from class 23A. In this video, I will briefly explain the material from the accounting theory course, Understanding Conceptual Framework. A conceptual framework is a system of interrelated concepts that serves as the basis for developing accounting standards and practices. This framework helps explain why an accounting method is used and how financial statements should be prepared to provide useful information to users. A conceptual framework also serves as a reference for accountants when facing accounting issues not clearly addressed in standards. Purpose of the conceptual framework. The primary purpose of the conceptual framework is to provide guidance to accounting standard setters in formulating consistent and logical financial reporting rules. Furthermore, the conceptual framework also assists companies in preparing financial reports and facilitates users of financial reports in understanding the information presented. This framework makes the financial reporting process more transparent and comparable across companies and across periods. Main components of the conceptual framework. The conceptual framework consists of several essential components. First, the objective of financial reporting is to provide useful information to investors, creditors, and other parties in making economic decisions. Second, the qualitative characteristics of financial information, such as relevance and reliability. Third, the elements of financial statements, which include assets, liabilities, equity, revenue, and expenses. These components form the basis for preparing financial statements. Qualitative characteristics of financial information. Information in financial reports must possess qualitative characteristics to be useful to users. The primary characteristics are relevance, meaning the information must be capable of influencing user decisions, and faithful representation, meaning the information must reflect actual economic conditions. Furthermore, supporting characteristics include comparability, timeliness, verifiability, and understandability. The role of the conceptual framework in accounting standards. The conceptual framework serves as the basis for developing international accounting standards, such as the International Financial Reporting Standards. With a conceptual framework, standard setters can ensure that each accounting rule has a clear theoretical basis. This helps improve the consistency of financial reporting across countries and increases investor confidence in the financial information presented by companies. Conclusion. Overall, the conceptual framework is an essential foundation for a financial reporting system. This framework helps explain the objectives, principles, and basic concepts used in accounting. The conceptual framework provides more focus for the development of accounting standards, while providing users of financial statements with more relevant, transparent, and reliable information for economic decision-making. That concludes my explanation of the material. I apologize for any errors. Wabillahi tawfiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.